Hello, parents. The parent tutorial page found on Gilmer County Schools' website is a very useful tool. However, it is not completely comprehensive. Sometimes there are elements that are missing, and while we try to make it easy to navigate, sometimes you can't find exactly what you need. When this happens, we have a solution. All you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see this link. Can't find what you need? Click here to ask for help. When you click that link, it takes you to a Google form that'll put you in touch with the specialist. All you have to do is enter an email address where he can contact you back. And then down here at the bottom of the page, insert your question or comment that you would like the specialist to see. Then click submit. Once you have done this, an email will be sent to the specialist and he will get back to you as soon as possible.